Okay, so let me actually size of u is that. I'm going to figure and plot the initial condition, which is u1 column. Doesn't look right. U seems to be just a function that goes up. Like u0 is, so maybe I'm not using this function correctly. Okay, anyway, so let me don't use this draw periodic function. I'm just going to manually set a u0. How about that? So I'm going to set a u0. What kind of function would you like? Let's actually make it simple. Let's set up a step function. So I'm going to set a zeros, n and 1. So I'm going to set an all 0 function. I'll just set u0 from, let's see, n over 2 to end equal to 1. Okay, how about that? All right. So, so if I just run this part, let me see. If I just run section, I have a u0. I should be able to plot u0. Yeah, it's a step function, right? It goes from 0 to 1. It's 0 on the left half of the x and 1 on the right half of x.
Is this over space?
It's over space, right? And I should also say my x should be equal to 0 to n minus 1 divided by n, right? So that's my x. So I should be plotting x and u0 with a symbol. The solution looks like that. That's my initial condition. Looks like that. Then let me run the OD45, and then I have my u. My u is now I have advanced for 121 steps. That's determined by OD45. Okay, and let's hold on and plot what u looks like at the end of the time integration. And let's plot it as squares with a dashed line. So that's what the solution looks like. All right. What do you think? Do you think it's okay or not okay?
This is just supposed to be like moving away.
So yeah, that's a good question. What is the solution supposed to be after a unit time? We have already learned, right, what the analytical solution is supposed to do. It's supposed to move towards the right at a speed of 1, right? And we are solving over 1 time unit.
So it should look the same.
It should look the same, exactly, right? I mean, I should have this solution move towards the right, which then comes over the left. And after 1, it has moved over exactly 1 time unit, 1 period. The solution should look like the same. Instead, it looks like the red line. All right, so what do you think? Oh. Anything you would recommend me to do? Huh? Add more points. Let's try that. Okay, so let me actually add more points. How many more? Double it. All right. I'm going to run the entire thing. And I'm going to, well, let me actually also put my x up there because my x has changed, right? Okay, I'm going to run it. And I'm going to plot this again. I think I already hold on. All right. This is my final solution. Looks better? Yes?
So would you say that this